video is Origami Bunnies for Beginners. I'm Bruce Gemmell, co-founder of Art Science Complex.
Origami bunnies. We fold the corners in towards the middle. We fold the edge to the center. We reach in here to make something that's already starting to look like ears. We fold these down to make the ears pointy. So now we fold it over. We're getting most of our origami bunny. Last things to do is the tail, where the hole punch pieces would come out, and then to fold the little nose, which is far away from the other end. And there you have your origami bunny.
That was Origami Bunnies for Beginners. I'm Bruce Gemmell, and we'll see you soon.